This is part 3 of this series, and in this video, you will learn how to search anything effectively using prompt. Not just the basic stuff, I'm talking about the prompt that can help you to reduce daily hours of work. For example, I have created one ATS friendly resume using just single one prompt, and that ATS friendly resume is having a ATS score of 86%. I have not used any template, no editing tool, just one single prompt in AI tool. And I will show you exactly how I did this. Also, I have added the link in the description with a 30 ATS friendly prompt that anyone can copy and use instantly and create their own resume for any type of role. So, if you are serious about to get result using AI tool, this video is for you. Let's get started. Now let me show you this practically inside Claude AI. Most people make a simple mistake while using AI tools. They give very basic prompts and that's why they get average results. Let's start with a basic prompt like this. Write a resume summary. Now if I run this, as you will know, this is a very generic. It's not tailored to any role, no specific skills and not optimized as well. Now let's improve this prompt using a better structure. Act as an expert resume writer and ATS optimization specialist. Task: create a one page ATS friendly resume. I'm input I will give here is name is Ramesh Roy, technician, 4 plus years of experience, degrees BTech, and 3 project hands on experience. So, guidelines I will provide here is use strong action verbs, add measurable achievements, and include relevant keywords. Here I'm doing a few things is giving a role, defining the job position, adding a specific skills, and asking for ATS friendly format. Now look at this output. This is much more structured, relevant, and actually usable. The difference simple is here is better prompt equal to better results. Instead of asking AI randomly, you can guide it clearly. A simple formula you can follow is role, task, detail, and format. I have collected 30 ATS friendly resume in one PDF, and that link is in the description to download. And you can start using any prompt to create any role. Kindly share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, kindly check our channel and go through part 1 and part 2 for the basic stuff.